and it's a lot of fun to play with.
Can I make my own?
You sure can. We can do it together.
That sounds really fun.
Yes, I'm excited. So today on Crafting with Katelyn and Daddy. Oh, you want to say Daddy? All right. We're going to make your own slime. It's a lot of fun. It's really easy and it's an adventure. So join us today. So let's get crafting.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
And subscribe. First thing you'll need is glue. So make sure it's store-bought before you make it because old glue will not work for your slime.
We're also going to need some borax. This is going to use this as our catalyst for making the reaction to make slime.
Then you'll need some shaving cream, which is really fun to play with.
Yes.
Smells super good, just don't eat it.
No. You're also going to need, don't eat it. Yeah.
No.
You're going to need some paints. We decided to use acrylic paints, but you can use food coloring or other type of dye to color your slime.
Then for our container, you'll need a bowl, a container, or a water jug, and we cut a hole so this is our container so we don't mess up one of my mom's bowls.
That's right, we don't do that. Also, we got some cornstarch, which is going to affect the thickness of the slime, make it a little more fluffy, a little bit longer.
Then you'll need a stirring stick because, or you could just use your hands. I mean,
it's up to you.
But we use a stirring stick because we love stirring sticks.
All right, so you ready?
So let's get crafting.
We're gonna get crafting. Here we go.
So the first thing you'll need is some glue. So we're going to actually take the lid off and just pour it all in there.
Go in there. Don't miss. Don't make a mess. Let me hold that for you.
Thanks.
Here you go. Pour it. It's a 5-ounce bottle of glue. I think we got this glue from the dollar store. Our previous thing, we tried it with Elmer's glue, and that worked pretty good. So hopefully this one will work. This is actually a third batch of slime. The first one went well. The second one did not. And it's the third one, so we'll see what happens.
Actually, we made 4 batches.
4 batches, yeah. We tried a different recipe too, and that one kind of turned out more like silly putty, weirdy, flarpy stuff. So we'll see how this one goes. There it is, all out of there?
Yep. It's still coming out.
Yeah, close enough.
Close
enough. Excellent. Close enough. There's our glue.
See our glue. Then the next thing we'll need is shaving cream, which I really will enjoy this part.
There you go. Spray it in. I think that's good.
Then,
so we got some shaving cream in there.
Then we'll need to mix it up. So I'm going to mix it up.
While you're mixing it up, I'm going to add some cornstarch to help it hold its shape a little bit longer. I think is what the recipe we saw.
So we got to mix it up until all of the shaving cream is all mixed up into the white stuff.
Just about a teaspoon or more.
Of cornstarch.
Exact measurements here on Crafting with Katelyn and Daddy.
You have to be very, very...
You see it?
Then
I'll take that for a second.
You'll need
a
paint, which we wanted to choose this dark green one, which is very pretty. And we're just going to put like 3 dabs of it in there after you're all mixed up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4.
All right, so there you go. There's your dabs in there. Get it mixed up. Do you want to mix it?
Why don't you put 4 in there, actually?
Color's up to you. You just do whatever color you want, guys. You put as much. Next thing is the borax. We're using the borax as our activator. What we did is we took a water bottle and then we took the cap. We heated up 1 cup of hot water. We poured the hot water in. We used a cap full of borax in there. And then we shook it all up. And then what we did is we took a push pin. I know we didn't say you needed that earlier, but it's a push pin. We poked a hole right in the top of the water bottle. So now we have a squeeze bottle.
This is what your glue, paint, shaving cream thing to look like after you use your paint. So it's all mixed up, all stirred up. All this is going well so far. And now we're going to add our activator.
All right, so we're gonna kind of go into a montage, just adding a little bit of activator and stirring it. And so we'll see you when we're done. And go.
Hello, welcome to our review of our slime. So we're going to talk about how our slime from the video worked out and these extra slimes that we made.
Yes, so it's been a week. This is the slime we made in the actual video. As you can see, it turned out to be more aqua because white glue mixed with green makes aqua. In the video, we left off just mixing it. It took us a long time because we were only adding a little bit at a time. It took a lot of activator to get it to change and stop being sticky. One thing we did learn is that when you're mixing in the bowl, don't take it out too soon. Wait till it really stops sticking to the sides before you pull it out and start playing with it, because otherwise, what you guys didn't see in the video is it made a huge mess. Alright, so this is one we made. It's very stretchy, very nice, got some good texture to it. Katelyn's playing with one of our first couple versions.
So this one is a
crunchier.
Why can't I say crunchy?
It's a fun word.
This is a crunchy slime that we made. We used Elmer's clear slime. I think that's what made it super crunchy. This is the grass slime. That's the ocean slime. And then the last one we made today. We made it today.
Yes.
It's the
strawberry slime.
We put lotion, strawberry lotion to make it smell good, and it's really smooth.
Yes.
We used a lot and lots
Of activator.
and glue. We also added some beads to have fun.
One difference is we did not use cornstarch in this one. It's a little more goopier, so I don't know if that's it or not. But anyways, it's a lot of stuff you can do making slime, so hopefully you have fun out there mixing it up and adventuring yourself with making slime. So thanks for joining us for crafting with Katelyn
and Daddy.
Yes.
So keep on being crafty, and we'll see you in our next video.
Keep on crafting.
Hey, where'd you get that slime? Can I have some slime?
Well, no, we made it. But you know, we could make our own slime if you wanted.
My own slime?
Your very own slime.
Can we make it teal?
Teal. Yes, that's a color.
No.
Let's do it again.
Yes.
That was weird.
Wish I had some slime to play with. That looks really fun.
It is fun. You know, we could make our own slime.
Ooh, that sounds good.
And